Welcome. Today I am with AirPods Pro and the iPhone, and I'm gonna show you how to connect AirPods Pro to your iPhone. So first we have to go to the settings of our iPhone, and now we have to click on the Bluetooth and turn it on. And yeah, right now we have to grab our case, open it, and now to wait until both devices find each other. And as you can see, there's notification that our AirPods Pro are not connected to this iPhone. So let's click on the connect. And right now we have to press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. So let's flip it and just click and hold here. Okay, and now they are connecting. And they are connected. So right now you can just use your AirPods and listen to your favorite music or just watch videos, whatever you want. So thank you for watching. If I'll help you, leave thumbs ups. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and of course subscribe our channel. See you in the next videos.